what if I told you that you can have thousands of people following you, hundreds wanting to buy from you, from your TikTok in a matter of days? This is exactly what our students in attraction marketing did in just a few months. They cracked the code of TikTok and are now getting consistently hundreds of new customers joining their network marketing teams. In this video, I'm going to share 5 simple tactics that these students used on TikTok to get these results. So if you'd like to explore TikTok as one of your marketing options, continue watching this video. Hi, my name is Anna Stromik and I help network marketers grow their business online using attraction marketing so they don't have to chase their friends and family or strangers to join them and instead have a lifestyle that they love. Consider subscribing to this channel because on here I share new episodes with you every single week, helping you with your network marketing business. And also I have a free attraction marketing bootcamp to help you with online strategies. It's absolutely free to sign up, and in the description of this video you can find a link to join. You're probably wondering why TikTok. Isn't this app just for kids? Well, it's actually where your prospects are. Have you ever heard of hashtag TikTok made me buy it? That's exactly what this is. There is a viral thing going on where people are just randomly buying things that TikTok told them to buy. And your prospects are now actually TikToking things instead of Googling them because they just stopped trusting Google for their information, and they know there's real people sharing real stories and real solutions on TikTok. So creators decided to start using TikTok to share their truths, to share real value, to share something they're passionate about that they could not on other platforms. And it absolutely exploded. You know what's possible with TikTok? Going from 0 to 1 million of views and video going viral. On TikTok, you can grow from 0 followers to 100,000 pretty much overnight with one viral video. And if you're still watching, I assume that at least you have TikTok account right now and you're seriously thinking about using TikTok for your business. Are you ready to use these 5 simple tactics I'm going to share with you in this video on TikTok right now? And if you already have TikTok account and maybe it's not doing so well, you're stuck on that 200 views, that's okay. Drop me that in the comments below. You don't have to necessarily start a new TikTok channel. You can just do a reset. And it's going to be a 60-day reset where you're just going to pick a new topic and you're going to start implementing these tactics that I'm going to share, and you will give it 60 days of consistency. It will take that long, but it will pay off hugely to you if you follow it. So the first thing you gotta do is set up your perfect bio. You have to have absolute clarity on who your audience is, who you're looking to attract, and your bio is going to help you to stay on track. TikTok does not like if you wander off and talk about one topic one day and the next topic the next day. Maybe you've been doing that in the past and you wonder why your channel is not growing as fast as some others. But you will find that creators that stick to one niche, one product, one solution, they see this growth pretty much overnight, and they're just talking about the same thing in a different way. So when you have that clarity about who your target market is, the algorithm is going to award you. They're going to bring people to you. Have you ever searched TikTok for a certain topic and then now you see in For You page, which is what TikTok has, For You page, you get only videos that you are interested in. That's why I love scrolling TikTok, because it's the best. It's the only platform that actually does that. It recognizes what you like, what you don't like, and starts showing you these videos. So if you know who your target market is and who you want to be in front of, then you're going to train the TikTok algorithm to put your content in front of the right prospects for you. In your bio on TikTok, you have 2 names. So you have your username and you also have your nickname. The nickname is the one on top, the username is on the bottom. You can have that using keywords. You can have one that is your real name and the other one that is using different keywords on who you serve, who your target audience is, what's the problem that you solve, something like that, or you can just have your name as both. It's just another opportunity to put your keywords into that search so you are easier to be found. And when you're writing out your bio, you also have to be very clear on who you're helping. It does not give you lots of characters to put out there, so you really want to be using a lot of keywords, what solutions you provide, what problems you're solving. And it's about who you help, what do you do, and how you help them. Okay, so now let's talk about the second tactic, and that is content inspiration. How are you gonna get inspired? Where are you gonna get ideas for your content? Now, the best place to actually do that is TikTok itself, doing a TikTok search. And when you search on TikTok, you will find different topics, and then you will also find what other people searched for underneath. And you will see the videos that perform really well, and then you cannot copy the videos, but use them as your inspiration to create your own. Then another place, of course, is YouTube, Google, Answer the Public. You can have a free account and you can get 2 different ideas every single day. You can search Facebook groups for your niche, or you can go to Amazon and maybe search like different questions that people are asking when it comes to your target market. So once you have those phrases, questions, and things that people are looking for, you can then use them as hooks. What does a hook mean? It's the first thing that people see when they jump on your video. It's the first sentence that they see, and you can also use it in the first sentence of your caption. And in hashtags. Number 3 is simple formulas that attract your perfect prospects. And before I share more tactics, I want to just give you who originated this training. Their names are Mike and Carla, and they're absolutely crushing it on TikTok. So I just want to give them a shout out, and this is what I learned from them. When you think about TikTok content, it's a short form video, and that short form video needs to be interesting, and it has to have these 3 parts in order to be effective. You have to have a hook, you have to have a content, and a call to action. So think about your content, your little video, as an ice cream sandwich, but don't make it a boring ice cream sandwich, make it very interesting. And the most important part in the sandwich is the top part. Make it with lots of sprinkles, sparkles, M&Ms, anything that you can put in, because that is something that is going to stop the scroll. It's not the video, it's not the content, it is actually the first thing that they see, which is your hook to the video. And of course, it's the content where you're either answering a question, you're sharing different tips, you're giving them some kind of value. And then the last one is call to action. You gotta tell people what to do, because what happens if you don't tell them what to do, they're not going to do nothing. If you're missing this part, if you're missing a call to action, you're gonna have lots of views, you're gonna have lots of comments, but people are not gonna do anything. They're not buying, they're not following you, they're not doing anything unless you actually tell them exactly what to do. So in the beginning, as you're growing, you probably want to get more people to save, to share, so your content is being seen, and to follow you, so your channel grows. And later on, your calls to action can be just to put a word for more information about a certain product, and you can actually more like sell when you start growing to that level that you're getting lots of views, lots of followers. Then you can start directly selling in your calls to action. If you do this right, people go to your bio, they click on the link, and they buy. Just imagine investing into doing a short form 15-second video every single day, and you don't have to talk to any of your prospects. They come from cold, they see your content, and they just buy, they show up in your back office. And these students that shared success with TikTok, they're getting like hundreds of sales every single month from cold prospects from TikTok. I'm gonna share with you one formula that Mike and Carla shared with us in LA that got one of their team members, Shannon, to explode with this video, and they actually create the formula based on her video. So this is how it goes. So her hook is signs your audience, whoever your audience is, which is you're struggling with, and then you insert a problem. So then you educate them. Sign 1, sign 2, sign 3. The call to action, if you resonate with this, let me know which one out of 3 you resonate with the most. Then she simply put, follow me for more information, because I'm going to be sharing content like this on this channel. And it went absolutely crazy. A video that she didn't think anything of. She did it in a car line picking up her kids, but it went crazy. So they picked up this formula and now they're using it in all sorts of different videos on TikTok. Number 4, choose your video type. Now there's different types of videos you can do. You can do something that is called talking head video, where you're just answering questions. It's just you on the camera, you're talking to the camera. Number 2 is a B-roll video, and that means you're recording yourself doing something, but you're not talking to the camera and you're just playing maybe a music and you have text going on your screen. A third type of video is you can answer a question from your audience. So you can actually pick up a comment in your comment section and you can reply with the video. So that video gets put on your timeline, and the way this video looks is it pops up this question from your audience on top corner and you're answering in the video. Those videos are really great as well. And you can use somebody else's content in a stitch or a dual video. You're just reacting to somebody else's video. Ideally somebody with larger audience, and you can bring those people to you. And then type 5 is going live, and this is a feature that you can do after you have 1,000 followers. And then tactic number 5, once you're doing this and you're being consistent, you're giving it 60 days, you're posting a video every single day for 60 days, now it's time to amplify this. So share it everywhere. Share it into YouTube Shorts, because that's another great platform to grow. Why not? If you have a YouTube channel, share it there. And eventually your YouTube can get monetized from this if your videos become very popular. And then also you can share it on Facebook. This is how short videos are popular. My son did just reactions on YouTube. I have to show you these videos, but they're getting like 400,000 views each. It's absolutely insane. He found a viral formula and now he has over 40,000 subscribers on his YouTube channel. He's almost getting monetized. So we're gonna be making some money from his content about him reacting, whether he likes jelly beans or ice cream better. And another girl that did this TikTok strategy, she started sharing these TikToks on her Facebook channel, and she had 52 followers on her Facebook, and she went from 52 followers to 62,000 followers from just sharing her TikTok videos onto Facebook. So here you go. These are the 5 tactics to use on TikTok to go crazy with your network marketing business. Now, if you'd like to dive in deeper and learn how Mike and Carla got to these results and all the other attraction marketing students that are absolutely crushing it on TikTok, you can learn it in my video. And not only that, you can learn how to do TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts in depth, and how you can be successful with any of these platforms in our course, which is the 15-second video formula. And I'm going to post a link down here so you can go and grab that. It's definitely the best course out there if you would like to implement a short video strategy in your business. You can go to annastropnik.com/15-second video, or there's going to be a link somewhere around this video for you to grab it. My question for you today, if you were to start on TikTok, what form of a video would you prefer to use? Drop that answer in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing to get more content like this in your feed, and I will see you on the next video.